Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. So, for our presentation today is mini project for the badminton tournament ticketing system using Python. Our group member is stand by two of us, which is me, Muhammad Afif bin Ahmad Nazri, and second, my group member, Muhammad Aiman Faris bin Muhammad Dahari. So, we go to the introduction. Our group member and me was choose to make this mini project uh, to sell the ticket of badminton tournament Malaysia Open Super 1000 series. So, what is the Malaysia Open Super 1000 series? So, it is come from the Badminton World Federation Supers 1000 series tournament, which mean it will be located at Malaysia. So the schedule to be held in late January or early February. And this tournament is joined by future top ranked players from all around the world in category singles, doubles, and mixed doubles for this event. It's very important event which means attracts a large number of fans all around the world and is considered to be one of the most prestigious badminton tournament in the world. So next. So next I'm gonna talk about the introduction of a ticketing system. So what is the ticketing system? A ticketing system is a software application that allows organizations to track and manage customer support requests or issues. It is typically used by customer support teams to log, prioritize, and resolve customer issues efficiently. It's very easy to see that this software is is easy to apply with all user who learn from the start to the end. Python also can be the best language for this ticketing system. Python is a powerful and versatile programming language. Also has a wide range of libraries and frameworks for web development. It is also easy to create a user-friendly interface for customer to submit the tickets. And then back-end system for support teams to manage and resolve the tickets. And lastly, the libraries for interacting with databases for efficient storage and retrieval of customer support requests and ticket. So for this introduction, we can see that the Python is a standard artificial language that may be want to be develop a ticketing system. So for the flowchart. So for the our flowchart, it gonna start with main menu. For the main menu, it has three options. First, the company profile. Second, Malaysia Open 2023 Super 1000. And third is purchase the ticket. So first option, it gonna be our company profile. And second option, it gonna display the terms of sales and term and condition of our ticket of our tournament. And then also show the marketing broker. Third option is purchase ticket, which which is the user must enter their name and email. After purchase the ticket, we go to the important thing, which is date selection. After the date selection was choose by the user, we go to the enter quantity of the ticket. So the user can choose the quantity that they want to watch this match with family member or their friends. After that, we go to the seat category. Actually, we have three seat category. First, upper. Second, premium. And third, VIP. These three category seat have a different price. After that, we go to the price that at seat. If the price at seat RM 400 ringgit, it's gonna be 30% off. So after we choose the seat category, and if the user exceed RM 400 ringgit, and it will generately or automatically calculate uh, already 30% off for the total for the total price of the tickets. After the user know their total price of the tickets, then we will go to the online payment. After online payment had been done, so we go to the soft copy receipt of the ticket purchasing, which is they we will gonna show the detail information from this purchasing ticket. And then lastly is end. That's all for me. Then I will pass to my group member to present about the source code. Thank you.
Alright. Assalamualaikum, Medan Johara. My name is Muhammad Aiman Faris bin Muhammad Ari. Now, I would like to explain what have we done in the source code. Okay, so what we can see here, here I try to evaluate all the variables. So, which is like date, price, seat, and more. And then after that, uh, I define the main menu. Okay, basically I use the OS system, which is this is a clear screen. So which mean uh, all the previous prompt will be clear and user can use like clearly. Okay, so here the main menu, they have three choice, which is number one is company profile, and number two, Malaysia Open 2023 Super 1000, and number three is purchase ticket. So this user selection input is in user only have three option, which is number one, number two, and number three. So this if user wrong enter the number will be invalid option. Okay, then next step, I'll define the company profile, which is I try to include all the requirement that have been assigned to us, which is number one is company name, number two is company ownership, three company address, four company account, and lastly the testimonial. And then I try to define marketing brochure. So these all the terms and condition for this event. Term of sale, term of condition, and so on. It is this print, this display. And then I define the purchase ticket. This is the hardest one. Okay, I use a global because I want to recall the variable that I already put on top. So this is the input. Okay, and then I make sure that um, every user will enter their name and their email. And this is and I also make sure that email is valid within, yeah, email must have ad. Uh, And then if no ad at the email, it will be invalid email. Okay, then I define the select date. So I recall all the variable, and then this will be displayed to the user. So user can know. First, user can know the purchases that exceed 400 ringgit will be received a 30% discount. So user can be alert, maybe try to increase their amount of quantity, so make so they can get a 30% discount. So these are the date, 5 date. So this tournament for a week, and then user can choose 1 to 5, and also user can go to the main menu by enter the 0, because sometimes user will be, maybe user want to see a profile, a company profile, but he didn't choose the correct option. So this is all the command. So I create all this. So user actually, when user has arrived at this section, user have three options, which is one, return to the main menu. Second, um, input the correct input, and then go to the next section. And number three, cancel all this. And then I define the select quantity. So which means if you can see at the flowchart, after name and email, date, it will be the quantity. So I also use a global to recall all the variable. I use OS system to clear, and then I print so 0 to the main menu, -1 to the previous section, which is if user think that they have picked the wrong date, so user can go to the previous and change their date. And then after that, user just enter the quantity, and then user will go to the next section, which is select seat. So select seat, we have a three seat, which is upper, premium, and VIP, which is within the price is 50, 85, and 150 ringgit. So this function is also same, which is 0 to the main menu, -1 to the previous section, and just enter 1, 2, or 3 to select a seat, and then go to the next section. So this I make sure that uh, there's no glitch between, yeah, if user put number 5 or 4 in the option, so user will get the false and return back to the uh, section. And then I define the payment, um, payment price. So here, I try to make, it's like, before we make a payment, user will see uh, the seat quantity, and the total price of their selected, of their selection, so that user can double check their order to confirm there are no wrong input. Okay, and then the company account will be displayed, and this is the last section, which is user will be asked, yeah, User will be asked about have made the payment or not. So here is the three option done. Zero to the return to the main menu, negative one to the return to the section which is selected. And lastly, I define print script, which is after user have done the payment, user will get a receipt. So the receipt will display Malaysian Open 2023 Super 1000. Uh, he has a name, email, date, seat, quantity, price, and yeah, some word. Thank you for the purchasing the easy ticket for you. And lastly, return to the main menu. So I also define is a negative or numeric because I want to make sure that this system will be will know that the number is negative number or numeric number. So that's why I use a negative one to go to the previous section. Okay, so I have done for the source code. Sorry, Middle. I okay. I think I will use another software because like I said before, I use the OS system, CLS, which is the clear screen. But if I use this Tony, will be isn't this not a function at all. Okay. So I just use window. Okay. So when user run this system, so user will be have three options, which is number one, company profile. So let me see the company profile. So the company profile we have company name, company ownership, company address, company account, testimonial. And then number two, we go to the Petronas Nation Open 2023 Super 1000. This is the highlight, term of sale, terms and condition. Okay, so we go to the purchase ticket. So here user will enter their name. So I just enter my name and then my email. Mm, Okay, here we can see the user already know. User can read purchases that exceed 400 ringgit will receive a 30% discount. So user just need to select a date. So maybe I just try to pick number three, which is 12 January 2023. So 12 January 2023. And then try to input a quantity. So I think I go with 4%. And then I pick a premium seat, not too much. Okay, here will be display. So user can double confirm their order. So like I said, I already picked 12 January premium seat uh, and quantity of 4%. So after 30% discount, the total price is 340 ringgit. So these are two account number. So user can transfer through these two account number. So user can answer is like done, return to main menu, or select another seat. Okay, I try to the previous section, which is negative one. So we'll go to the select seat, and then I will change to maybe VIP, and then we will change 5 January VIP quantity number 4 So purchase have been exceed 400 ringgit, automatic discount 30%. Final price is 420. So we also can cancel this transaction, which is put zero. So go to the main menu. So it's okay. I go to try to in again. Then try to pick number five, which is 14 January. And then I will go to like 5%. And then I will choose VIP seat. And this will be displayed as 14 January. Select series VIP quantity 5, purchase at say 400, automatically discount 30%, final price is 525. Company account. So now we will press done. So here is the receipt. Nation open, Super 1000, name is Simon, email, date, seat, quantity, price. So yes, all for So now I would like to pass to my partner, Afif, to continue his conclusion. Okay.
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 Okay, so back to me. I gonna conclude all of our mini project today for this presentation. So, in conclusion, Python is well suited for the development of a ticketing system. It is because it's a powerful and versatile programming language. Furthermore, Python's libraries for interacting with databases make it easy to store and retrieve customer support requests and tickets, which can generally improve the efficiency and effectiveness of the customer support process. And overall, Python's flexibility, power, and ease of use make it the ideal choice for creating a ticketing system. With its rich set of libraries and frameworks, Python make it easy for developers to create a user-friendly, efficient, and effective customer support system that can improve the overall customer experience. The open source nature of the language and the constantly evolving community make it a reliable language that can adapt to the ever-changing needs of the customer support process. So that's all for me for this conclusion. Thank you.
Okay. All right. Thank you, madam.
Thank you, Madam Johara. Assalamualaikum.